Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to verify Exness account. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to go into the Exness application. Once over here on the bottom menu, make sure to go to the profile. Now here at the top you'll see the option verify, tap on it. Now first of all, if it'll ask you to verify your email and phone number, then go to the email and there you'll see the mail sent by Exness. Open it up and then click on verify. Now to verify your phone, choose either you want to verify using your SMS or receive a code and then verify accordingly. Now you'll need to enter your personal information and economic profile. So enter your full name, birth date, residential address and your gender. Also answer the financial background questions. Now you'll need to upload a proof of identity, POI. You can either choose a passport, national ID or driver's license. Make sure to provide a clear photo with high resolution images of both sides. Next you will need to upload proof of residence. So submit a recent utility bill, bank statement or government document that displays your name and address. Now you'll need to wait for the approval because verification is usually processed within minutes to a few hours. It can sometimes also take up to 2 days. So in the end, make sure to use clear, unobstructed images with good lighting. Ensure the documents match the info entered. Avoid expired or partial documents, and if rejected, revise as per Exness feedback and resubmit promptly. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.